Funny.
Y'all, question just found out. Lala just found out. Somebody broke it.
And it's real. And my mama paid for it. Not another one.
Let's have a funeral for her earrings, you guys.
My mama gonna kick them out. Shot. No, I'm seriously trying to. How did this happen?
I swear to God, I don't know.
Look, it's about to snap. Oh my God! I done lost these earrings. I found them, and now it's broke. And it better not have been little Ricky. This ain't funny.
No, it's not funny.
Can you go get me my pink earrings?
Replacement.